framing views of Cape Town, Table Mountain, Signal Hill, the Boland Mountains, and the distant vineyards. The Kloof House, designed by SAOTA, is positioned below Lion's Head. Instead of being a closed architectural object, the structure is conceived as a hat that aims to capture as much of the surrounding landscape as possible. The strongest gesture is the roof, designed as an inverted pyramid that creates a clear-story window around the upper level. It allows the house to open up, framing views of Table Mountain and Lion's Head that would otherwise have been lost. This also opened up views of the sky, bringing the sun and moon into the house, enhancing the connection with nature and its cycles. The entrance hall, connected to a courtyard garden, is accessed through a metal front door, situated between the house itself and a stone wall. With the imposing presence on the slope, the stone wall, built in a traditional Cape Town manner, faces the busy street and conceals the interior of the residence. Despite its contemporary design, Kloof House appears to have evolved naturally from the mountain. The house spans 3 floors and features spacious living, dining, and entertaining areas, all designed in a modern and avant-garde aesthetic. Each floor has its own set of gardens and courtyards. These gardens extend from the mountain surface to the house, hiding neighboring buildings and intensifying the relationship with nature, allowing light and ventilation into spaces that would otherwise be dark and isolated. The interior is adorned with unique artwork, contemporary furniture, and mid-century antiques. The linear spaces of the house come to life with a variety of textures, including exposed concrete, European oak, bronze and marble finishes, granite floors, and Eastern Cape blue gum wood. On the upper floor, surrounded by glass and covered by the sloping roof, are the living, kitchen, and dining areas, with panoramic views of the city that extend the entire length of the facades. The family's work and bedroom spaces are on the middle level. The levels have been treated as a stacking of spaces, breaking down the mass of the house and allowing the landscape spaces to stand out. Material choices become heavier as you move down the house, with the ground and first floors finished in heavier concrete and stone contrasting with the light wood ceiling and extensive openings of the second floor. On the lower level, there is a cinema room, a gym, and a guest room. At night, the inverted pyramid roof glows like a lantern-like lightbox.